Understanding the term moonroof in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting term that you might encounter in everyday English, especially if you're interested in cars or modern amenities. That term is moonroof. Stay tuned as we dive into what it means, its origins, and how to use it in conversations. A moonroof is a type of sunroof on a vehicle. But what makes it unique is that it's a transparent panel, often made of glass, that can let light in even when it's closed. Unlike a sunroof that can be opaque and completely blocks the light when closed, a moonroof allows for natural light to enter the car, giving you a view of the sky, hence the romantic connection to the moon. The term moonroof was first used in the 1970s. It was coined by an American inventor and designer named John Atkinson, who wanted to distinguish his new design from traditional sunroofs. The idea was to create a sunroof that would allow passengers to see the sky and enjoy natural light, without having to open the roof. It's common to confuse a moonroof with a sunroof, but there's a key difference. A sunroof is typically a solid panel that can either slide back or pop up to allow air and light in. A moonroof, on the other hand, usually has a glass panel that can be tinted or clear, and it may or may not open. This distinction is important when discussing car features or preferences. When using moonroof in conversations, it's mostly in the context of automobiles. For example, does this model come with a moonroof option? I love how the moonroof in my car gives a spacious feeling. She prefers a moonroof to a sunroof for the added light. It's a term that can add specificity and clarity when discussing vehicle features or expressing personal preferences about car design. So, that's all about the term moonroof. It's a fascinating word that not only enriches your English vocabulary but also gives you a glimpse into automotive design and preferences. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing and expanding your English, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting language insights. See you in the next video.